I wanted to check out some anomalies today, folks. Oh, by the way, it's 10:19 a.m. Central Standard Time on January 11th. Now, I'm noticing a lot of anomalies down in Australia, but I don't really talk about it that much. I don't really know anybody down there. Well, I have one contact, but I don't really know that much about it, and so I feel like I've been overlooked. I apologize to anybody that's from Australia or knows anyone in Australia. And right here we are at Carnarvon, Australia. Okay, I'll show you here. I'll just kind of back up and back out really quick, and we can see there's clearly an anomaly going on there, right? I've been noticing little anomalies, but nothing major that's really just drawing my eye to it. And I'm like, well, maybe I should just zoom in on it, and we'll take a look. I'm trying to back out for you so you can see it real clear. Here we are, Australia, Western Australia, right here. So I just decided I'm just going to zoom in and see what I can find here. Well, guess what I found in Carnarvon? Obviously, we've got something going on here. There's some form of anomaly. So what do? I go over to Google Earth and say, let's see what I can find. And this is Carnarvon. Now, as we start to zoom into something, are you guys seeing this? This is the airport. But look at how it's in the Freemason symbol. Do you see that? It is conveniently in a Freemason symbol. Now, there's also conveniently overlaps here, which are like blurred out, which don't let me, like this corner here, I cannot see in this corner. I've zoomed in and I cannot see in this corner whatsoever. I've zoomed in really close. It looks and appears like this could be part of a star, a four-pointed star here in Whitlock Island. But like again, because they're overlaying this, I can't really see, but you can see how it kind of comes like this. So I'm feeling that this could be some form of an ancient star fort or star-shaped design. But what I found most interesting is this. Come on. Really? Another Death Star. It almost looks like there's some form of an antenna or satellite dish right here on top of it. Ain't that interesting? It's everywhere. Can't do anything about it. So I happen to be watching this show. I'm about to show you a small clip from it. It's Secrets of the UFOs full documentary, 7 News Spotlight. This actually isn't the full one. The full one is like an hour and some odd minutes long. But this here is the YouTube channel, 7 News Spotlight. I absolutely recommend everybody watching this. And this is actually on Australia. So I'm going to zoom in here and I'm going to let you guys see something here. And be prepared to go, I'll be damned, or not surprised, because really I don't know anybody that's going to be surprised on it. So this is at 37:15.
Exposing the secrets, cover-ups, and conspiracies of the UFO phenomenon. Before we leave you, not many people know this, but on the far western tip of our continent is Australia's very own answer to Roswell. And Ross, you went there as part of your investigation.
The answer to Roswell?
And if we are being what may provide the answer as to why. I think that something extremely anomalous and unusual.
See all those antennas?
Is still happening up at Northwest Cape.
Look at all of them. Oh, crap. Come on now.
A most unusual sighting.
Get ready for it.
You couldn't
guys seeing it
a
yet?
more remote part
Come
of
on.
Australia to locate this extremely
Are you
secret
kidding
military
me?
base.
Look at all those triangles. Look at the star. It's a freaking star fort. Look at that.
At the height of the Cold War.
It's amazing.
It's one of the last places in the country to see the light every day. And one dark night, 30 years ago, a young Australian who was living here, called Annie, had an experience that was to change her life forever.
So anybody that knows me knows I gotta go find it. And here it is. Sure enough. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. You've got an octagon shape here. I mean, you've got points going down the middle of it. Like straight lines going right down the middle of it. And then little turns off of each side, showing a star within a star within another 6-pointed star, and then it's again octagon shaped. Look at this. Wow. Or not octagon, excuse me, hexagon, excuse me. Octagon is 8. Look at this. Look at all these circles that are in every one of them. There's a bunch of them. This is amazing. But there's something else that I found extremely amazing too. Watch this. I couldn't believe it. I was actually searching for it, and I found something else before I found this bugger. Come on, you little interesting. You got these little circles all over here. Wonder what these circles are all about. At least that's what I thought. And then I found this. Look at this. Anybody recognize that? These are just like the stone circles that Michael Tillinger's working on over in Africa. Look at this, a big stone circle, and you got all these little petals like a star, and they all have like little branches that all kind of reach out, and they all connect together. Yeah, look at that. What's going on in Australia? Does anybody have any friends or contacts down under that can reach out to me? That would be fantastic. My email is under the About section. Give them my email. Let them know. I would love to talk to anybody that knows anything about this, because that's crazy. What do you guys think? So in DuckDuckGo, I just went ahead and put in forts in Australia, and there are many of them. This one here I actually tapped on and kind of blew it up. Look at this side here. This looks Tartarian, doesn't it? Sure does. Made out of what? Stone, granite. Oh, that looks like a point to me. That could be a star fort. What do you guys think? Here we are in Northern Australia, Darwin International Airport, Darwin Base. That's right. This is the United States, Darwin. And I'm looking at 2 5-pointed stars. Isn't that interesting? Let's back up a little bit here.